Check it out, guys. I just received my NYAN Gear LED backpack. Let's open this puppy up, see what it looked like. All right. Look at that black and red box. That's cool, huh? Let's get in here. Oh, I had it backwards. All right. Look at that. Cool. Get this opened up here. Got little knots going on here. Get it opened up. And a reveal. Hey, shoo. Now that we got it, let's get the app first. Now you can get the backpack and you can add a power bank to it, but I didn't add a power bank because I've already had a power bank for this guy here. Let's look inside. The LED spot looks nice and flat and good. So here's our card inside to get the app. And what we'll do first is let's give it some power. Oh, look at that, guys. NYAN Gear. Now, that looks good. Let me turn this light off, see if that'll help. Also, but it is nice and bright. Look at that. Now I'm also gonna turn the main light off. This is what it looks like with all the lights off. So let's get the app and let's get a picture uploaded. Check it out. Crazy Cotto. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool? And I'll make a GIF, add some stuff to that. But that is sick. Yes, it's on the backpack, guys. That is on the backpack. Shoo! Well, you look at that. I'm loving it so far. When we go riding with it, get a shot from behind. See how it is. You know what I mean? Riding, but so far, I'm loving it. Not even wore yet. It's just out the box. Peace.